my previous video, I was discussing with you about one particular prerequisite before performing a Boolean operation was to constrain our geometry completely. In this video, I will show you what will happen if you do not constrain your geometry. So in this case, I will be breaking some of constraint, making this particular part with some degree of freedom. Now here you can see we have break the dependency, and this rectangle shows this part is not fully constrained. Now let's go here in component and in component operation. Now let's try to perform Boolean operation. This is our modified model and this is our modifying component. Now click on OK. Now here you can see our part is being successfully merged. But let's say I am trying to move this part here, and now I try to regenerate it, and now you can see the problem. Our merged part got changed. Now one may also argue like why one going to shift this part from its location. But if you do not constrain your part, then there might be possibility moving the part by mistake. Let's say here trying to perform the drag operation, and you can see easily the part got moved from its location, and as soon as I press Ctrl and G, you can see my assembly got updated. That's why it is recommended to have a fully constrained part. Now there might be some situation when you need to move one assembly. In such case, what we can do? Okay, so let's discuss this kind of case. Now I need to place this part back again first of all. Now let's discuss what we can do in such cases. Let's go back again to component operation, Boolean operation. Now here, let's select the modified model, this one, and this one is the modifying part. And again, we are performing merge. This time in update control, I would select no dependency. Now we will see what happened. Let's try to drag this part. Now even on regenerate, the location of the merge feature is same and is not updated. In part mode also you can see there is no failure, and the position of the merge feature is also same. So one may try this thing if you really want to move your part. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video useful, then do like and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.